Hello friends, so is your car struggling to maintain idle or maybe the engine is stalling randomly? If your scanner shows code P0508, it means there's a problem with the idle air control circuit, causing the idle RPM to drop too low or fluctuate. This issue can lead to rough idling, stalling, and even difficulty starting your car. In this video, I'll explain what P0508 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0508 code stands for Idle Air Control Circuit Low. So this means the engine control module, or ECM, has detected a low voltage or some kind of malfunction in the idle air control system. Usually the problem is caused by a faulty idle air control valve, some wiring issues, or, even a dirty throttle body. If you ignore this code, it can actually lead to engine stalls, poor acceleration, and increased fuel consumption. Here are some common symptoms of P0508. The engine might stall at idle, or when you're stopping, you could notice a rough, fluctuating, or low idle RPM. The check engine light will probably turn on. You might feel hesitation or sluggish acceleration, and sometimes you'll have a hard time starting the car or it just won't start at all. If your car is showing these signs, it's really time to fix it before the issue gets worse. To diagnose P0508, you'll need to locate these key components. First up, the idle air control, or IAC valve. It's usually mounted right on the throttle body, near the intake manifold. Alright, so let's talk about the throttle body and the throttle position sensor, or TPS. The throttle body is, attached right to the intake manifold, and the TPS is mounted directly on the throttle body. Next up is the mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor. You'll find this one located between the air filter and the throttle body. Now let's move on to ECM and IAC wiring connections. Be sure to check the wiring harness connections to both the ECM and the IAC valve. And here's a tip. Honestly, a dirty or faulty IAC valve is the most common cause of that P0508 code. Alright, so let's talk about some of the most common causes of a P0508 code. First up, a faulty idle air control, or IAC valve. This valve is responsible for regulating your engine's idle speed, and when it fails, you'll probably notice some weird RPM issues. Next, a dirty or clogged throttle body can be the culprit. If there's a buildup of carbon, it restricts airflow, which can lead to a rough idle. Another thing to keep in mind is wiring or connector issues. Damaged wires or even just a loose connection can interrupt the IAC circuit signals. Now, while it's pretty rare, a faulty engine control module, or ECM, can also be the issue. Basically, the ECM might mismanage idle control. And finally, vacuum leaks are worth checking for. Cracked or loose vacuum hoses can cause an erratic idle and trigger that P0508 code. So, how do you fix a P0508 code? Well, first you want to use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0508 code. Next, inspect the idle air control, or IAC valve. Go ahead and remove it, and clean it up with some throttle body cleaner. After that, clean the throttle body itself. If it's dirty, just use a throttle body cleaner and a soft brush. Then, check the IAC wiring and connectors. Look for any loose or damaged wires, and repair them if needed. Don't forget to test the throttle position sensor and the mass airflow sensor. If either one is faulty, you'll want to replace it. Finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. The P0508 code is usually caused by a faulty IAC valve, a dirty throttle body, or wiring issues. Fixing it will restore stable idle RPM, improve your fuel efficiency, and help prevent stalling. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0262 Cylinder 1 Injector Circuit High and P0263 Cylinder 1 Contribution or Balance Fault. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.